We are going to show you how to use WordPress Toolkit to install a brand new WordPress site directly from your cPanel. Choose the folder of your website as the installation path, or install your site in a subdirectory of your domain. Select which language you want your site to use, as well as which WordPress version to install. We always recommend using the latest version available to ensure your site's security. Use the preset WordPress username, password, and email, or enter in the values of your choice. Create your database name, table prefix, database username, and generate a secure database password. Configure automatic updates for your WordPress site to install the latest versions of WordPress core files, plugins, and themes as soon as the newest version becomes available. Now that your install is complete, you have the option of installing plugins and themes to customize the look and feel of your WordPress site. We'll cover plugin and theme installation in our next video.